Sultan Mosque Singapore, an episode of series, The 8 Sacred Sites in Southeast Asia. Under Singapore's modern gloss, you'll find venerable places like the gold-domed Sultan Mosque, the spiritual and literal core of the Kampong Glam ethnic enclave. The present-day mosque replaced a humbler one that dated back to 1820. Completed in 1932, the current Sultan Mosque blends Turkish, Indian, Persian and Moorish design elements into a harmonious whole. Each of the mosque's domes sit on a foundation of hundreds of amber bottles stacked neck down. The bottles were contributed by poor Singaporeans, who were encouraged to give what little they could to ensure the mosque's completion. The main prayer hall accommodates up to 5,000 worshippers at any given time, reaching maximum capacity during Friday worship and on special holidays like Ramadan. How to get there? You can't miss it. Take the Singapore MRT to Kampong Glam, Singapore, and you'll see it at 3 Muscat Street. The mosque is open to visitors from 9 a.m. to 12 nn, and 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Admission is free, but a strict dress code is imposed on visitors. Wear long-sleeve tops and long pants or skirts if planning a visit. Find out more about mosque etiquette, or visit their official site, sultanmosque.org.sg.